Hello, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Drone channel. Today we have a unboxing and review of the RC drone from Hasakee. It's the H1 HD aircraft. It was sent to me from Hasakee. Ginny, thank you for sending it out. It's available on Amazon.com. It retails for $43.99, and if you're a Prime member, it's available for 2-day free shipping. I will include a link down below in the video where you can go and purchase it directly from Amazon. Okay, let's get into it today. It's a little like toy aircraft that has that beautiful or cute bumblebee look to it. It's probably a good drone for indoor flying and kids. I'm going to go over a few of the features with you. It has a 2.4 gigahertz RC series 4-channel 6-axis gyro controller. It also has an FPV camera. Again, I already mentioned it operates at the 2 gigahertz frequency, so you don't need one of those fancy 5G phones. It has 3 rates of speed. And it has out to hold mode, and for newbies, out to hold means that once you raise it to the level you want, it'll stay there. You don't have to constantly keep your finger on the throttle to keep at the desired height. So that's mostly the high points here. It says 14 and older plus here, and I said it's for kids already. What's it say? Supervised kids. So let's get into it here. Let's make a small incision there. Nice, very nice packaging. All right. It's a little piece of plastic there to support it in shipping. Let me open it from the bottom. I don't want to damage it by pulling too hard on it. Alrighty, let's give it kind of a push up from the bottom. Alright, there we go. That's good. Get this to the side here. So there's the little drone. Looks like it has it's on there like a little pedestal there, so it's very displayable. Let's put this open. Looks like we got goodies in the bottom here. Alright. Here's good news. It comes with a controller or a TX. You don't have to be a phone flyer with it. Looks like it has a your throttle and your gimbals there. It looks like it has a couple buttons, probably trim buttons there. It has a couple buttons up top. Maybe it does flips, and we already established it had rates of speed here. Looks like it's a little thing you can pull out here to put your phone in there, but I can't quite figure it out right now. There's your battery slot on the back there. So very lightweight controller. You get one battery with it. Let's see. Let's get it out and examine what the kind of battery it is. It doesn't have any specifications on the battery, but it looks like everybody's favorite proprietary battery. Sorry, I can't spit it out. A battery that only this battery will fit in the drone, let's say it that way. So it's a very small battery, and here's oh boy, look at that. A real nice manual here, not one of those little teeny tiny ones. Oh yeah, the print is if you can see it on the camera there, but the print is a very nice size here, easy to read. Very nice. We got a little bag of accessories here. Let's see what you get inside here. Oops. A full set of extra props. So that's good. Both colors. Here's your little screwdriver you get with it, probably to help change the props. Oh, here's a prop removal tool. Here is your USB charger for the battery. Little plug right there on the back. So that's all your extras. Okay, let's get this drone out of this box here without damaging it. They really did good packaging in here. It's like packaging. It's a piece of cardboard in here that's holding these landing legs. It's got a tough one here. Sorry, folks. They really package this good here. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, look at that. Look at these landing legs on this thing. There's your antenna back there sticking out. That'd be nice so you get some distance on it. There's your battery slot. There's your props up there. They put kinds of prop guards already installed. And there's your camera in the back. I don't believe on the box it mentioned any of the camera specs, but I imagine it's at best a 720p 2 megapixel camera, but I'm just speculating. It's probably in this manual here someplace. When I come back and do the flight test portion of the video, I will try to have the camera specs ready for you. So again, that does the unboxing portion of the video. It's no use me going on here. We'll have a lot of the stuff figured out here by the time we get back and do the flight video, so stay tuned. The Hasakee H1 drone from Amazon. This is Ron here from Ron's RC and Drone channel. Today I'm going to go over the basic functions of flying the H1 drone with its controller. So let's get started. Alright, I have the Hasakee drone, the H1, and the controller in front of me. This is MiniDrone, which is maybe the name of the company. Those says Hasakee drone on the side. But anyways, we're going to get started here and go over the basic functions. So we're going to press the battery all the way in here. So you see the lights come on. The drone is going to be kind of hard to see outside, but they're on. So we're going to put this the little drone down here, the little bumblebee, and we're going to go over the basic functions here. So to turn on the buttons inside here, so see it beeping, so you want to go up and down to bind on the stick there. And then this is a automatic takeoff and land. These are the trim buttons. This is your throttle up and down. On over here, this is your one key to return and your headless mode button, and this is your left right button, whatever you call that. More trim buttons here, and it has 3 rates of speed. By pushing this down, it automatically defaults to medium, but if you push this down one time, it'll beep 3 times. That'll be third rate, and then push it one more, and then it'll be first rate, like a beginner's rate, and 3 would be a professional rate. And this is your flip button. You push this down, push it down here, click, and then go any direction. It'll do a 360 flip. So let's get started here now and get this H1 in the air. To take off, you want to go unlock the motors, go down and out. The motors have started, and then hit the automatic takeoff key, and we've launched. And it's having a little trouble with the wind out here, so we're going to go to rate 3. Alright, she's a little bit better now. She needs to be trimmed up a little here. Trim button. Alrighty. So we did rates already. Everybody loves to see flips, so let's try a flip button. Let's try the flips. Let's get it on the camera here. Oops. Let's get it down where people can see it. Come on down, Hasakee. Come on down, buddy. Alright. Oh, look at that flip. Want to see another one? Oh. Alright, so let's just fly around for a minute. We did flips. We did speed rate of change. So you can see she's doing okay out here. I don't have much wind today, and I'm along the side of the house, so that always helps. But, you know, she's got decent range, but we don't want to go too far because I don't think she has any LVC. So she just drops when she's out of batteries low. So, but she's not a bad performer at all. Hope I'm catching this with all the cameras here. So, I didn't show you the gyro. So let's land her. Let's hit that that one key. There we go. You can still guide her down when she's you know, doing the one key thing. All right, so we got her landed here. We're gonna get her on flat ground, and we're gonna do a gyro calibration. So we're gonna pull them down and to the left. And you can't see it here, but she blinks. And she was kind of moving around a little bit on me, so she probably did need the calibration. That should have been the first thing I did. So I hope I didn't make her look bad in the video. Okay, let's unlock our motors. And we're going to do a little headless. So we're going to take off in this direction here. So we're going to do a little one key to return and headless mode test next. So let's unlock again. One key takeoff. Alrighty. And she's got an altitude hold, so you don't have to, you know, keep constantly up throttle. In fact, she does pretty good on the altitude hold. So, okay, she's flying much better now that we did the. She's still wandering a little bit, doing better. So let's fly her out that way a little bit, and then let's do our one key to return. Okay, here she's coming back in the general direction, so that worked pretty well. So now, what we're going to do here is the headless mode, where I gotta keep watching this thing here. She's drifting on me. So you want to long press this button. Hold on, let me bring it back a little. Long press this. Okay, now she should be in headless mode. That means like I can spin her sideways and still. No, I didn't get her in headless mode yet. Hold on. Maybe I need to tap it twice. Okay, there she goes. Now I can put her out the spinner sideways and still. Nah, I still don't have her in headless mode. Oops. I lost orientation. There we go. Try it one more time. Nope. I can't seem to get headless mode to work. Probably something I'm doing wrong. I'll have to consult the owner's manual again. So there should be this button here, like twice or a long press, but a long press doesn't seem to do anything. So try it. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, long press doesn't do anything. So double tapping. I must have been doing something wrong here. But as you can see, she's zipping around pretty good out here. She's a little bit noisy for a small drone, but you know, that quiet stuff's overrated. I'd rather have good performance than real quiet. And she's definitely one of the best performers I've seen for a toy drone this size. And I say that honestly. I'm not getting paid for this review. All right. Thanks for watching the initial flight test of the H1 by Hasakee. And we're going to do we're going to put the phone on and do a little FPV flight. We'll probably do that indoors. As soon as this battery charges back up again. So thanks for watching, and see you soon. Okay, I'm going to give you a little tour around the app here. Okay, we're going to start from the left side of the screen and work our way right. Okay, the first thing is the back button. The second icon is a camera icon, which of course takes your pictures. The next icon is the movie camera icon, which takes your video. The next icon is, I'm going to stop saying icon. The next one is the folder, which you check to see your recorded photos and videos. The next one over is your gyro calibration. The next one over is the gravity sensor mode, which I didn't get to test that out, so I'm not quite sure what that is. The next one over is your unlock and lock button, and again, I'm not sure what that's locking or unlocking. The next one is the display on and off button, which turns all the stuff off if you're flying. Just using your phone as an FPV monitor on the transmitter, and of course, the beauty of this is you could fly this thing with with just a phone, using those virtual sticks that you can see in the screen now. So you can throttle up and down, go left and right. All right, we're gonna skip. Did we do the last one? The last one is the menu, which brings up 4 more icons. So now you can see the additional icons. The first one is your rate you're in. It defaults to the 60% rate, but you can click it once and that'll take you up to 100% rate, and you click it one more time and that'll take you down to the 30% rate. All right, the next one over is the gravity sensor mode. If you would like to fly this with just your phone and you want to control the drone by just tipping the phone up and down or sideways. Here, the next one is where you can virtual reality, where you can split the screen. Sorry, I got a little bit behind there, and I think we covered everything. And there was the button before that was the camera flip, which I'm not sure what that did either. I'm demonstrating the camera flip here, and I'm not exactly sure what it's really doing. I don't know if it's moving up or down or bringing it closer. So I'm not sure what's really happening there.